Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Toss IT Corner. In many cases, we want to change the country location of our YouTube channel. The main reason to change the country region of YouTube channel is monetization purpose. There are a lot of countries that doesn't support monetization for YouTube channel. So you need to change your country to active the monetization. So now you should change the country region of your YouTube channel. In this video I will show you the full tutorial how to change the country region of your YouTube channel. So at first you should go to your web browser. Here I am using my web browser, that is Google Chrome. So by clicking Google Chrome you will find this type of window. This is the basic Google Chrome window, and here is the URL option. Now I am just typing youtube.com. So this is the youtube.com and I am just hitting the enter button of my keyboard. So after hitting enter button of my keyboard, just I am reach my YouTube channel. Here is the name of my YouTube channel. So by clicking this icon or by clicking this YouTube channel icon, you will find there is an option that is YouTube Studio. So by clicking YouTube Studio you will get this type of interfaces that's called the basic YouTube Studio interface. So this is the basic YouTube Studio interface, and now by scrolling down you will find there is an option that is the settings. By clicking settings option you will find there is a lot of menu options. So here the menu options, that is the general tab, that is channel, that is upload defaults, permissions, community and agreements. So by choosing the second option, that is the channel, by clicking channel you will find the basic information of your YouTube channel. So here is the channel of myself, that is the based on the IT tips and tricks. So these are some of the basic tags for my YouTube channel, and in this page by scrolling down you will find the country that you have chosen. So here the country is Bangladesh, and if you want to change your country then just click this drop down menu. Then you will find there is a lot of countries, that is Afghanistan, Albania, Andorra, Angola, so America, Argentina, Australia, Bahamas. So you can change your country from this drop down option. So you can choose any countries, any region. So for your monetization purpose it is very important to change your country location. So here I am just change my country location as American Samoa. So this is the American Samoa, and by choosing this you should save this page. So I am just saving this page and my country has been changed to Bangladesh to America. So you want to recheck this change or recheck this customization from settings, channel, by scrolling down. Here is the country American Samoa. Okay, fine, that's all for today. Hopefully you guys are finally able to change your country for your YouTube channel in monetization purpose. Thank you all of you. Please keep in touch with Toss IT Corner and subscribe my channel. Thank you all of you to see this video.